The entire used motorcycle market is hiding a dirty secret. While everyone is obsessing over brand new machines with massive price tags, a small group of experienced riders has been quietly buying old, proven, indestructible motorcycles for pocket change and riding them forever without a single mechanical complaint. Today, we expose 15 old motorcycles you can buy right now for under $8,500 that are so reliable, so low maintenance, and so comfortable that your grandchildren will still be riding them. We promise the final machine on this list will completely rewrite your used motorcycle buying strategy. Let us begin. Number 15, Honda Shadow Ace. 750. Honda holds a massive reputation for building engines that outlive their owners, but the Shadow Ace 750 is the machine that started that conversation in the cruiser segment. Produced from 1998 through 2003, this liquid-cooled 45-degree V-twin displaces 745 cubic centimeters and produces 45 horsepower with 46 pound-feet of torque. It features a twin-spar steel frame, a hydraulic cam chain tensioner, eliminating the manual adjustment nightmare found on competing cruisers in a chain final drive. The Shadow Ace runs a 5-speed gearbox paired with a hydraulic clutch, the lightest clutch pull of any cruiser in its era, making it a machine that aging wrists and newer riders both celebrate equally. Honda documented 0 major engine recalls on the Shadow Ace 750 across its entire production run. Owners across North America and Europe regularly report 40,000 to 50,000 miles with only oil changes and tire replacements. The low seat height of 26.8 inches, pulled back handlebar, forward set foot pegs, and generously padded solo seat create a natural, relaxed riding posture that absorbs 4 to 5 hour rides without physical protest. Used price ranges between $2,000 and $4,000, depending on condition and mileage. Now that's a steal. Now what happens when Kawasaki decides to apply their legendary engine durability to a machine that can genuinely eat highways for breakfast? Number 14 answers that in a way that will make you immediately open a classified ads website. Number 14, Kawasaki Vulcan 900 Classic. Kawasaki has been quietly building one of the most underrated long-distance cruisers in the used market, and the Vulcan 900 Classic is the machine that proves it. Produced from 2006 onward, this liquid-cooled, fuel-injected, 50-degree V-twin displaces 903 cubic centimeters and produces 50 horsepower and 58 pound-feet of torque. The fuel injection system, a rarity among budget cruisers of this era, eliminates the cold start hesitation, jetting issues, and altitude sensitivity that plague competing carbureted machines. You turn the key, press start, and ride, every time, without exception. The engine uses a single overhead camshaft design with roller rocker arms, reducing friction by a significant margin compared to conventional sliding rockers, meaning dramatically less internal wear over hundreds of thousands of miles. The fuel tank holds 4 gallons for a real-world range of approximately 200 miles. Wet weight is 560 pounds. The stepped 2-up seat, wide pull-back handlebar, and highway-tuned suspension create a touring comfort level that rivals machines costing 3 times the price. Used price ranges between $2,500 and $4,500. Fuel injection, belt drive, hydraulic valve adjustment, under $4,500. And yet, number 13 is the machine that Suzuki built with such obsessive mechanical simplicity that professional mechanics have been known to retire early simply because their Suzuki-owning clients never need them. The story is almost insulting to the service industry. Number 13, Suzuki Boulevard M50. Now here is where things get genuinely interesting. Suzuki built the Boulevard M50 with a single philosophical objective: create a machine so mechanically simple and so structurally sound that it requires the absolute minimum of human intervention over its entire lifetime. The result is a motorcycle that has been embarrassing far more expensive cruisers since 2001. The Boulevard M50 engine has been documented by Suzuki dealers across North America as one of the lowest warranty claim engines in the company's entire product history. The fuel-injected design means there is literally flawless cold starting and altitude compensation compared to carbureted competitors. The drag-style handlebar, forward controls, and wide flat seat provide a stretched-out riding position that large-framed riders describe as the most natural posture they have ever experienced on a motorcycle. Used prices found between $2,000 and $3,500. Fuel injection, shaft drive, over-engineered frame, under $3,500. Think that is value? Wait until number 12, because Yamaha looked at the cruiser segment and decided the entire category needed to be rebuilt from the ground up using lessons from their sport motorcycle division. The result is something that cruiser riders and sport riders both argue over claiming as their own. Number 12, Yamaha V-Star 1100, classic and hold on before you dismiss the Yamaha V-Star 1100 as just another middleweight cruiser. Understand that this machine contains an engine architecture that Yamaha originally developed for performance applications before adapting it for long-distance cruising. The 1100cc air-cooled V-twin produces 61 horsepower and 70 pound-feet of torque. The V-Star 1100 features dual carburetors with vacuum-operated slide mechanisms, a design that self-balances at idle, eliminating the need for regular synchronization, and a hydraulic automatic cam chain tensioner that removes the single most common maintenance item found on competing V-twin engines. Fuel tank holds 4.5 gallons for a range exceeding 200 miles. Wet weight is 582 pounds. Used price is found between $2,500 and $5,000. 60,000 miles on original internals. Shaft drive, self-balancing carburetors. And yet, number 11 is the machine that Honda built for a completely different kind of rider. One who wants cruiser comfort, but also needs to occasionally remind sport bike riders who is actually in charge. The V4 engine in number 11 is the reason Honda engineers still talk about it in reverent tones. Are you finding motorcycles on this list you never knew existed? Smash that like button and subscribe right now. We drop new content every single week. Drop a comment below and tell us, which of these would you buy today? Number 11, Honda 50TX 1300. Here is a machine that the American cruiser market was not prepared for when it arrived in 2001, and the industry has never fully recovered from its impact on the segment. The Honda VTX 1300 is powered by a 1,312cc air-cooled V-twin, the largest displacement air-cooled V-twin engine Honda has ever put in a production motorcycle, producing 78 horsepower and 85 pound-feet of torque. The carbureted system on the VTX 1300 has never been the subject of a factory recall. The V-twin architecture uses roller rocker arms, reducing friction and wear, and a pressure-fed lubrication system that delivers oil to every critical engine surface within milliseconds of startup, protecting the engine during the most damaging phase of operation. The commanding cruiser posture, wide highway bar handlebar, and deeply padded two-up seat make the VTX 1300 capable of sustained all-day riding at highway speeds with a comfort level that passengers describe as better than most cars. Used price is found between $3,000 and $5,500. Now, number 10 is the machine that Kawasaki built for riders who want all of that and then want to keep riding for another 200 miles after everyone else has stopped for the night. The fuel range alone makes it legendary. Number 10, Kawasaki Concours 1400. Kawasaki built the Concours 1400 with one specific mission statement that they communicated internally across the entire engineering team. Build the most capable long-distance sport tourer in the world and make it so mechanically reliable that it never strands its rider. Produced from 2008 through 2019, this liquid-cooled, fuel-injected 1,352 cc inline-4 engine produces 153 horsepower and 108 pound-feet of torque on a sport touring motorcycle that you can buy used for $5,000. The Concours 1400 uses Kawasaki's unique shaft final drive with an integral hypoid bevel gear, a maintenance-free system that Kawasaki guarantees for the life of the motorcycle. The Concours 1400 engine shares its core architecture with Kawasaki's ZR 1400 sport bike, a machine designed to sustain full throttle operation for extended periods. This means the touring engine is running at a fraction of its structural capability during normal road use, an enormous reliability advantage. You can grab this in the used market for $4,000 and $7,000. The Concours is a staggering value proposition, but number 9 is the machine that BMW built when they decided German engineering precision should be available to riders who refuse to pay German pricing in the used market. Number 9, BMW R1200 GS Adventure water-cooled. Oh, here we go. The machine that every experienced motorcycle traveler eventually ends up owning is now available in the used market for under $8,000. And the moment you understand what you are getting for that money, you will never look at another used motorcycle listing the same way again. The BMW R1200 GS Adventure, specifically the 2014 through 2018 water-cooled generation, uses a 1,170cc boxer twin engine, producing 125 horsepower and 96 pound-feet of torque. The boxer twins' horizontally opposed cylinders create natural engine balance, eliminating primary vibration, reducing mechanical stress, and protecting internal components across hundreds of thousands of miles. BMW designs the boxer twin engine specifically to operate under police fleet conditions, sustained high-mileage use with minimal maintenance intervals. Documented examples with 150,000 miles on original engines are not rare in BMW owner communities. They are expected. The adjustable seat height between 33.5 and 34.3 inches. Electrically adjustable windscreen, heated grips, heated seat, and long travel suspension, tuned for both road and dirt, make the R1200 GS Adventure the most versatile, comfortable touring machine available in the used market. Used price goes for $5,000 and $8,000 depending on specification and mileage. Moving on, number 8 will make that feel almost ordinary because someone at Honda once asked what would happen if they took the Africa Twin concept and built it for pure highway domination. The answer became one of the most praised touring machines of its generation. Comment below right now. Which motorcycle on this list are you going to search for this weekend? And if you have not subscribed yet, hit that button right now. Join thousands of riders who never miss an episode. Number 8, Honda S1300 Pan-European. Here is the machine that European touring riders swore absolute allegiance to for nearly 2 decades. And the Honda ST1300 Pan-European earned that loyalty through mechanical honesty that no competing tourer could match. Produced from 2002 through 2016, this 1300 is powered by a 1,261cc liquid-cooled V4 engine, Honda's most mechanically sophisticated and proven long-distance configuration, producing 115 horsepower and 87 pound-feet of torque. This 1300 features Honda's dual CBS combined braking system, the most sophisticated linked braking system Honda has ever produced for a touring motorcycle, a shaft final drive with integrated torque reaction link, integrated hard panniers with central locking, electric windscreen adjustment, and heated grips as standard, conventional telescopic forks, 1.7 inches, with dual-linked rear shocks provide outstanding stability at sustained high speeds. Fuel tank holds 7.6 gallons, the largest stock tank of any motorcycle on this list, for a real-world range exceeding 300 miles. Wet weight is 714 pounds. The V4 engine in this T1300 shares its fundamental architecture with Honda's RC45 Superbike, one of the most structurally robust engine designs in motorcycle history. Honda dealers across Europe documented the ST1300 as having the lowest unscheduled maintenance rate of any touring motorcycle sold in the EU between 2005 and 2015. The full touring fairing with electric windscreen, deeply padded two-up seat, highway-tuned suspension, and natural upright riding position make this 1300 a machine that professional long-distance riders describe as capable of genuinely comfortable 400-mile days. Used price is found between $3,000, $500, and $7,000. If you are thinking that this is incredible, number 7 is the machine that Suzuki built to directly compete with this 1300, and in doing so, accidentally created one of the most beloved used touring motorcycles in the entire market. Number 7, Suzuki GSX 1300 Hayabusa First Generation. Wait, before you tell us the Hayabusa belongs on a performance list rather than a reliability list, understand something fundamental about this machine. The first generation, Suzuki GSX 1300 Hayabusa, produced from 1999 through 2007, was engineered to a structural standard that makes it one of the most durable high-displacement motorcycles ever built. Suzuki over-engineered every internal component because this engine was designed to achieve 180 miles per hour, and an engine built for those stresses at full power is running at minimal stress during normal road use. The Hayabusa uses a twin-spar aluminum frame of extraordinary rigidity, fully adjustable 1.7-inch telescopic forks, a fully adjustable link-type rear monoshock, and Tokiko 6-piston front calipers with dual 12.6-inch discs. The engine features a pentroof combustion chamber design, borrowed from Formula One engine technology, providing exceptional thermal efficiency and reduced operating temperatures. The Hayabusa's wind tunnel-developed fairing provides outstanding high-speed wind protection, far better than most dedicated touring machines. The seating position is more relaxed than conventional sport bikes, making it genuinely suitable for long-distance high-speed touring. You can get this in the used market between $3,000 and $7,000. If the Hayabusa represents the ultimate performance value, number 6 represents the ultimate touring value, and it comes from a manufacturer that has been quietly dominating the long-distance market since the 1970s. Number 6, Kawasaki Vulcan 1700 Voyager. Some riders say big touring cruisers are not practical. Those riders have never covered 300 miles in complete comfort on a Kawasaki Vulcan 1700 Voyager, a machine so comprehensively equipped from the factory that adding aftermarket accessories feels unnecessary and redundant. Produced from 2009 onward, the Voyager uses a 1,700 cubic centimeters, liquid-cooled, fuel-injected V-twin, producing 74 horsepower and 107 pound-feet of torque. The Voyager specification includes hard panniers and hard top case, standard, with central locking, a color-matched full fairing with adjustable windscreen, cruise control, heated grips, belt final drive, AM/FM radio with Bluetooth connectivity, and a digital instrument cluster with gear position, indicator, fuel range, ambient temperature, and clock. Dual-linked front brakes, 4-piston front calipers, provide confident stopping for a machine weighing 800 pounds wet. Fuel tank holds 5.8 gallons for a range exceeding 200 miles. The 1700cc Kawasaki V-twin uses a dual throttle valve fuel injection system, the same technology found in Kawasaki's Superbike range, providing flawless fuel delivery across all temperatures and altitudes. The belt final drive is rated by Kawasaki for 62,000 miles between inspections under normal touring conditions. The price for a used model falls within the $5,000 and $8,000 range. If number 6 is the most comfortable machine on this list, Number 5 is the one that BMW built to prove that German engineering could deliver all of that and more in a package that weighs significantly less and handles significantly better on winding roads. Number 5, BMW K1200 LT. Wait, you think you already know what a used BMW touring motorcycle represents? You do not. The BMW K1200 LT, produced from 1999 through 2009, is the machine that BMW built to answer every long-distance rider who claimed no motorcycle could match a luxury automobile for grand touring comfort. The K1200 LT uses a 1,170 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled inline-4 engine, producing 116 horsepower and 85 pound-feet of torque, with a smoothness that physically cannot be matched by standard twin-cylinder configurations. The K1200 LT features parallel lever, shaft final drive, BMW's Evo telelever, front suspension, reverse gear. Yes, an actual reverse gear to maneuver this 750-pound machine in tight spaces. The audio system includes front and rear speakers integrated into the fairing. The K1200 LT Inline 4 was designed by BMW specifically for taxi and police fleet applications, requiring sustained high-mileage operation with extended service intervals. Documented examples with 155,000 miles on original engine internals exist and are celebrated in BMW touring communities. Reverse gear, heated seat, heated grips, 6.3-gallon tank, adjustable windscreen, audio system on a motorcycle that you can buy for $7,000. The comfort level is not compared to other motorcycles. It is compared to luxury automobiles. For a used model, it falls between $3,000 and $7,500. The BMW K1200 LT is extraordinary, and yet, number 4 is the machine that Harley-Davidson built for the rider who wants all of that character, all of that comfort, and also wants to arrive somewhere looking like they own the road. The icon is about to make its entrance. Number 4, Harley-Davidson Road King. The legend arrives. The Harley-Davidson Road King is not simply a motorcycle. It is a cultural institution, a rolling declaration of independence, and one of the most mechanically sound large displacement touring machines available in the used market under $8,000. Produced across multiple generations from 1994 onward, the Road King, specifically the twin-cam 8.8 and twin-cam 9.6 engines from 2004 through 2016, uses an 88 or 96 cubic inch air-cooled V, twin equivalent to 1,449 cc or 1,580 cc respectively. The Road King features a mild steel double cradle frame of legendary structural rigidity. Harley-Davidson has been refining this frame design for over 60 years, combined with hydraulically adjustable rear suspension, dual front disc brakes, quick detach hard saddlebags, a detachable windshield, and Harley's touring seat that has been described by long-distance riders as the most comfortable stock seat in the motorcycle industry. The twin-cam engine features hydraulic self-adjusting push rods, a unique Harley-Davidson innovation that automatically compensate for thermal expansion, eliminating valve train noise and manual valve adjustment permanently. Harley-Davidson manufactures the Road King engine with cast iron cylinder bores, a material choice that provides superior wear resistance compared to aluminum bore alternatives, resulting in cylinder walls that show minimal wear at 50,000 miles that competing engines show at 18,000. The Road King touring seat, highway handlebar, forward foot controls, and full fairing provide a riding posture so natural and sustainable that Harley-Davidson owners regularly document consecutive 435-mile days on stock machines without modification. Used price is between $4,500 and $8,000. The Road King is a legend, but number 3 is the machine that Honda built to challenge the Road King's dominance. Harley owners and Honda owners have been arguing about this for 20 years. Number 3 settles it. Number 3, Honda Goldwing GL 1800. Oh, you thought this list was going to end without the Gold Wing? The Honda Gold Wing Guile. 1800 is the motorcycle that professional touring riders, the people who cover 31,000 miles per year, consistently choose over every other option in the used market. Produced from 2001 through 2017, the GL 1800 uses a 1,832 cc horizontally opposed six-cylinder engine, yes, a flat six, producing 118 horsepower and 123 pound-feet of torque. 123 pound-feet from a motorcycle engine. The flat six creates a center of gravity so low that this 794-pound machine feels like a middleweight when maneuvering at low speeds. The GL 1800 features conventional telescopic forks, a system proven for decades, a shaft final drive, integrated hard panniers and top case, reverse gear, electrically adjustable windscreen, full audio system with CB radio, heated grips, heated seat, passenger armrests, passenger footrests with floorboards, cruise control, and an onboard computer with fuel consumption, range, and ambient temperature. The fuel tank holds 6.6 gallons. The braking system uses Honda's dual CBS with ABS, a six-piston front caliper linked to a dual-piston rear via a proportioning valve that Honda patented in 2001. Honda designs the Goldwing engine to operate for 186,000 miles before requiring major internal service, a design specification that Honda publicly states in their engineering documentation. The flat six creates perfect mechanical balance. Zero vibration, zero counterbalancer shafts, zero sources of additional mechanical stress, meaning every internal component operates in the most benign possible mechanical environment. Used price goes for a range of $4,000 and $8,000. We are in the top two, and this is where the list arrives at machines that have achieved something rare in the motorcycle world. They have become more desirable used than many modern motorcycles are new. Number 2 is the machine that changed adventure touring forever. Number 2, BMW R1200 GS Adventure Hex Head. We are in the top 2, and this position belongs to the machine that professional overlanders, military riders, polar explorers, and circumnavigators have chosen more consistently than any other motorcycle in the history of adventure riding, the BMW R1200 GS Adventure. Specifically, the Hex Head generation from 2006 through 2013 uses a 1,170 cubic centimeter air and oil-cooled boxer twin, producing 110 horsepower and 85 pound-feet of torque. The Hex Head designation refers to the hexagonal bolt pattern on the valve covers, a cosmetic identifier for the generation that most experienced GS owners consider the sweet spot of the lineage. Maximum reliability, minimum electronic complexity, legendary mechanical durability. The Hex Head GS Adventure features BMW's paralever shaft, final drive, telelever front suspension, an 8.7-gallon fuel tank, providing a range exceeding 370 miles, wire-spoke tubeless wheels, 19-inch front and 17-inch rear, long travel suspension with 7.9 inches, front and rear travel, heated grips, a rally seat with multiple height positions, full crash protection, and optional ESA electronic suspension on later examples. The Boxer engine uses Nikasil-lined cylinders, a platinum group metal coating used in aircraft engines, providing a wear surface so hard that cylinder reconditioning is essentially never required in normal service life. The Boxer twin in the Hex Head GS is the most documented high-mileage production engine in the history of motorcycling. Over 500 documented examples with more than 124,000 miles on original internals exist in BMW owner databases. Several examples have exceeded 248,000 miles without internal engine work. The adjustable seat, manually adjustable windscreen option, heated grips, long travel suspension, and natural adventure riding ergonomics make the Hex Head GS Adventure capable of sustained touring across any terrain on Earth, a capability proven by the hundreds of riders who have used this exact machine for world circumnavigation. The price for used models goes between $4,500 and $8,000. And now number one, the machine that has been to every continent, crossed every desert, and survived conditions that no manufacturer designed it to survive. And it can be yours today for under $8,000. Are you ready? Number one, Honda Africa Twin XRV 750. Of course, it was always going to be this. The Honda Africa Twin XRV 750, produced from 1990 through 2003, is not simply a used motorcycle. It is the motorcycle that defined what the word adventure meant for an entire generation of riders. Powered by a 742cc liquid-cooled V-twin engine with a unique firing interval that creates an incredible torque character, producing 55 horsepower and 47 pound-feet of torque. This machine was designed from the outset for one purpose: to go anywhere on Earth and come back without braking. Used models of this bike could be gotten between the range of $3,500 and $7,500. The Africa Twin XRV 750 uses a semi-double cradle, steel frame of outstanding torsional rigidity, conventional telescopic forks with 7.5 inches of travel, a Pro-Link rear monoshock with 7.5 inches of travel, wire-spoked wheels, 21-inch front and 17-inch rear, and a chain final drive. A chain final drive on an adventure motorcycle. In 1990, Honda understood that a shaft would be too heavy for the Sahara or Mongolia, so they eliminated the problem permanently. The engine uses a single overhead camshaft operating 4 valves per cylinder through roller rockers. Minimal friction, minimal wear, minimal intervention required. 2 carburetors with easy access jets. Fuel tank holds 6 gallons for a range, exceeding 248 miles. Wet weight is 489 pounds. The Africa Twin XRV 750 was the official motorcycle of the Paris-Dakar Rally Support Crew, chosen not because Honda sponsored the event, but because the support crew needed a machine that would never strand them in the Sahara. If you made it all the way to the end, you are officially one of us. Leave a comment right now. Which of these 15 machines would you buy today and why? Click on the next video to follow the ride. Hit that like button if this list changed how you think about the used motorcycle market. And if you are not subscribed yet, click that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and join our growing community of riders who never miss another episode. We ride together. See you in the next one.